Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of This Versus That. Yesterday was Black Friday, where a lot of people go out and spend money that they don't have. Well, I was doing the same thing. I end up picking up a couple of things from Amazon and they arrived today. So I want to do some unboxing and show you guys what I got. All right, roll the intro. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed that episode. That whole package right there that you just saw cost me about $300. The GoPro 6 alone is 500 bucks. So imagine how sweet of a deal this is. I can't wait to get out there and show you guys what this thing can do. I'm going to link it down below. Hopefully by the time you watch this, the deal is still around. If you do get one, let me know down below on how you like it, and I will see you in the next episode. Have a good one. Bye bye.